Hey guys, the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro will be officially unveiled tomorrow in Europe. We already know the full specs of the P20 Pro as it was leaked about a week ago. Full specs of the main P20 have also been leaked and they have been confirmed by German retailer Saturn. The specifications of the Huawei P20 were posted online by Future.de 2 days ago. The phone will come with a 5.8-inch LCD display with a 2240 by 1080 resolution. It will also have a notch in the upper part of the display just like the iPhone X but much smaller. The notch will house the front camera and not an elaborate face unlock setup like that of the iPhone X. Nevertheless, the phone will still have face unlock similar to the ones we have seen on previous Huawei/Honor phones. The Crane 970, which powers the Pro model, is also on board but with 4 gigs of RAM instead of 6 gigs like the P20 Pro. The storage remains 120 GB with no option for storage expansion like the Pro version. The rear cameras are the main distinguishing factors between the P20 and P20 Pro. Not only does the P20 come with just 2 sensors, but they are different too. The main camera is a 12-megapixel RGB sensor paired with a 20-megapixel f1.6 aperture monochrome sensor. Of course, Huawei partnered with Leica on this too, and this is obvious from the Leica. There is also an infrared RGB sensor and a laser autofocus module integrated between the dual cameras and the LED flash. The 12-megapixel sensor is said to be the only one with OIS. Another feature the phone has is support for super slow-mo recording 960 frames per second at 720p resolution. The Huawei P20 and P20 Pro both come with a 24-megapixel selfie camera with light fusion technology, which helps brighten images using AI. There is a dual SIM support and a USB Type-C port with DisplayPort phone to an external display for use as a PC. It doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack, but there is a bundled 3.5mm to USB-C adapter. It has support for 31 LTE bands, NFC, and Bluetooth 4.0. It will also run on EMUI 8.1 based on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. There is a 3400 mAh battery supplying power with support for Huawei's supercharged fast charge technology. It will launch in Europe in black, blue, and pink. The twilight color will be exclusive to the P20 Pro. The specs are confirmed to be true based on photos from German retailer Saturn. The pictures show the specs of the P20 series with their leading prices. The Huawei P20 Pro will sell for €610 and the P20 Pro and P20 Lite are priced at €899 and €369 respectively. There will also be a Huawei P20 Porsche edition which will have 256GB of storage and cost more. Now your turn. Let me know what you guys think about its specifications and of course price, and let me know in the comments down below. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.